guys, it's Nicole from Luxe. Today we're going to talk about hormone replacement therapy. A lot of people feel that it's mainly meant for men because it's testosterone that we're replacing, but really both men and women benefit from it. In fact, we probably see more women in this facility than men. By the time we hit 40, half of our testosterone is gone. So we consider that a natural aging process, but it doesn't have to be. So what we need to do is replace some of our hormones that we've been missing. How we start is some simple blood work, and we go from there. So women sometimes need both testosterone and estrogen, and men sometimes need testosterone and they need to block their estrogen depending on their symptoms. So a free consultation is an easy way to get started. You can come in and tell us what's going on. A lot of times people feel fatigued, lack of energy, not motivated to go to the gym, not seeing the gains in the gym, a lot of complaints about low libido. So come on in and we'll take a look at you and see what's going on.